If you're looking for a budget laptop for graphics design and video editing, the Dell G3 17 might be an option. So let's look at the features and specifications of this laptop. The system has an 8th generation Intel 8300H quad-core i5 processor. The system comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. The max memory supported by the system is 32 gigabytes. If I were to get this system, upgrading the memory to 16 gigabyte would be one of the first upgrades. For graphics card, the system has an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 with 4 gigabytes of dedicated memory. In terms of storage, the system has a 1 terabyte 5400 RPM hard drive. The system can also be ordered with a 128 gigabyte solid state drive, which will be configured as the main drive, and a 1 terabyte 5400 RPM hard drive that can be used primarily for storage. The screen is a 17.3-inch Full HD IPS display. For ports, on the right side, there is a 2-in-1 SD card slot and a USB 3.1 port. On the left side, there is an HDMI 2.0 port, an Ethernet jack, 2 more USB 3.1 ports, and a headphone/microphone jack. The price of this laptop is $699. If you're using a laptop for graphics design or video editing, let me know in the comments section what laptop you are using. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're new to this channel, I would love to have you subscribe. Thank you for watching.